Good morning and welcome to a short session on the difference between present perfect and past simple. We often make mistakes between these two tenses because we don't understand exactly how to use them. Now this one we can call stopgap. In French you might call it a bouche-trou. It's the default position. When you're talking about something in the past, you would use this particular tense. So it's really important to feel that this one is your friend. This one, however, is a little bit more particular. We have to use it in specific times when we have three particular situations. Either life experience, something that started in the past and is still true, or something that has just happened. So we keep this one for special occasions. One of those special occasions, as I mentioned, is life experience. Say, for example, you're going into a job interview and the person interviewing you, the interviewer says, have you ever done this? They're using this tense here. And you say, yes, I have done that. As soon as you start speaking about it in more detail, though, you want to use this tense here. So you might say, I did that, I worked at that company, and I had that responsibility. So in general terms, in terms of your life experience, you can say, I have done it or I haven't done it. But in terms of specifics, you want to talk about it in more specific terms, then you might use this tense here. So you have to be careful between the use of these two, because obviously in French, this one looks like passé composé, but it's not. It's a present perfect, it's a present tense. Okay, so what we can see here, for example, is when we talk about going to New York, if you talk about it as a life experience, or a lack of life experience in this case, I've never been to New York City, what you're saying is between your birth and today that you have never done this. However, if you talk about a specific moment in the past when you did this, you could say, I went to New York City in 2012. And then you can even say, I have been to New York City. But you can't say when, you can't say with who, and you can't say why. So we have to be very careful when using these two tenses. So I hope that you enjoyed the session at Adomlingua. I hope to see you soon.